So I think the robots have been integrated into customers' life in 3 different ways. First, the robots are now helping us with the checkout process or price comparisons and helping us with any kind of different dimensions of our lives. So what happens there is that we naturally compare ourselves to robots. And by making that comparison between human and machine, we could potentially make different kind of decisions, either become more like a machine and more rational, or feeling that we need to be human and make more indulgent emotional choices. The second kind of relationship that could happen is that we start to see that robots come to serve us in restaurants, help us in hospitals, or rescue us in tornadoes or earthquake. And so what we found is that when robots come to help us, it could affect how inspired people feel and therefore their own pro-social behaviors in their community. The third type of relationship is that humans can also reach out to robots for companionship. So we found that humans can be using chatbots or different kind of products to serve as their romantic partners. And that could potentially decrease or increase their desire to date human, depending on how much they actually want to date to begin with. So it seems that there are 3 types of a relationship that could happen between human and robots. I think by comparing ourselves to robots and seeing how we interact and respond to robots, we are learning more about what makes human human. We realize what makes human human is that we have the head, but at the same time, we have the heart too. We have emotions and we have impulse. And all these things actually drive our behavior and decisions a lot of times even more than our head-based calculations. And I think another thing that for companies is that over the years, we have learned that integration between human and robots become more and more important, especially in the retail space. You have human employees, you have robot or machine-based service as well. And how do you integrate these two so customer has a seamless process and so that the whole service team feels like a team? That becomes the biggest challenge and opportunity.